Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your EV route planning app with ABRP, complete guide step by step clearly. To start authenticating your EV route planning app with a better route planner, or ABRP, follow these simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser. Visit the official ABRP website at abetterrouteplanner.com. Create an account if you don't have one already. Click on the login button found at the top right corner. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section. Look for the API Tokens tab in the Settings menu. Click on Create New Token to generate a unique access key. Name your token something descriptive for easy identification. Make sure to set the appropriate permissions for your token based on your needs. After you create the token, copy it to your clipboard. Now, open the EV route planning app you wish to authenticate. Locate the Settings or Account section within the app. Look for an option labeled API Key or Token. Paste the token you copied from ABRP into this field. Save your changes to secure the token within the app. Next, you may need to restart the app for the changes to take effect. Once restarted, try planning a route to ensure the authentication was successful. If you encounter any issues, double-check the API token. You can always return to ABRP to regenerate a new token if necessary. Now you're all set to enjoy seamless route planning with a better route planner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.